Hello friends, welcome to KSP Academy. In the last class, we have already discussed what is understood by underground cable. In this class, we have to discuss how to construct your underground cables. What type of things will take place when you constructing underground cables? That we need to discuss today. So generally, I told you the underground cable is nothing but conductor plus insulation. Conductor plus insulation is called as a cable will take place. So generally when you are constructing the cable, you have a number of layers we need to take into consideration, and what are the layers will take place when you are constructing general underground cable, that I will discuss one by one now. So basically in underground cable, how we are constructing will take place. First we have a conductor. Firstly we are having a conductor. This is nothing but a conductor. The conductor is followed by the second layer. We have a insulating material. Conductor we have followed by one more layer. Nothing but insulating material. Insulation material. After this insulating material, we have a metallic sheath. Third layer, we have the metallic sheath. Third layer, we have metallic sheath. This is the right metallic sheath. Metallic sheath. Metallic sheath. After this third layer, we have to go for next layer. Nothing but next layer is nothing but bending corridors. Next layer we can also call it as bending. Next layer we have to call it as bending of the material. Something but bending. Bending. After this bending, we have another layer. That nothing but armoring. Armoring. So next layer we have underground cable. The fifth layer is nothing but armoring. Layer 1, layer 2, layer 3, layer 4, layer 5. After this 5 layer of insulation, we have a last one nothing but surveying. It is nothing but outer cover of your cable. That is nothing but surveying of the cable. Surveying of the cable. So like this, these 6 levels of insulation will take place when you are constructing of underground cable. First you have a conductor. Followed by we have insulation material. Then after we have the metallic sheath. Followed by you have a bedding. Then followed by you have armoring. The last one you have this is nothing but a surveying. Surveying outer cover. This is nothing but metallic sheath. Metallic sheath. So these are the 6 different layers. So now let us discuss one by one layer. What is the importance of one layer later? Let us take, we have a first layer, that nothing but core or conductor. Core or a conductor. Generally we have to use the conductor. What do you think, single phase or 3 phase conductor keep in the first layer? So we can use for a single phase conductor, we can use a single conductor. For a 3 phase core, we have to use three conductors that are facing inside, and start by making a packing of insulations, we can use that. So in this, the material we can use for core conductors, we can use aluminium or copper, we can use as a core conductors. Next, come to the insulating material. The second, you can use insulation. The insulation nothing but it is the next outer cover of your conductor, which will insulate your conductor to the next layer. So what is the purpose of insulating material? It is insulate your conductor to the next layer. So basically what type of insulation we are using is impregnated papers, or varnished papers, or polythene. I told you. These are materials we can use for insulating your conductors. Then after that, just the insulation just insulate it is, nothing is rooted. Then after we have to use a third thing, it's very important, that is nothing but metallic sheath. The purpose of metallic sheath in the underground cables is nothing but to protecting your cable from moisture contents, to protecting your cable from moisture or gas, any liquids in the underground cable, with which from there it should be isolated. If it is liquids or water, whatever it is, it's isolated. So it is protecting our cable from moisture or gas, any damaging liquids. For this, it should protecting our cable from that. So what is the metallic sheath material we can use? Is lead or aluminum material. We can use the metallic sheath. So anyone is asked what is the metallic sheath purpose? To protecting of cable from moisture or gas or any damaging liquids in the earth or soil. It is protecting it. The fourth one you can use bedding. The purpose of bedding is what? What is the purpose you make this layer underground cable? Whenever underground cable keep inside, there may be chances to get your conductor with corrodite. Corrodite means the purpose of bedding material to protecting your metallic sheath from corrosion effect. To protect metallic sheath, to protect this metallic sheath from corrosion effect. Corrosion effect. We can use bedding material. Or sometimes it will protect your cable from low mechanical injuries. Small mechanical injuries also it will take care of. Some mechanical injury will take place, which also will protect the cable. That will take place. Small mechanical injuries. Whenever armoring not takes place, that mechanical damage will take place by your bedding material only. So what type of material we are using for bedding? So generally fibrous jute or hessian tapes. Fibrous jute or hessian tape we will use in the bedding. We can say bedding is to protecting the cable mechanic sheath from corrosion effect. Here we can use for moisture contents. We can say that. Then after the fifth layer is armoring. The purpose of this armoring layer, we can use it to it is protecting of your cable from mechanical injury. To protecting your cable from mechanical injury, that's what you are using the metallic armoring and the underground cables. So what type of material we can use in this armoring means generally we are using tapes, 2-3 layer of hessian tapes we can use in the armoring to protecting the mechanical damages in that, or else a steel cover. The surrounding of the cable you can use a steel cover outer body to protecting of mechanical injury, or else 2-3 layers of tapes we can use for armoring materials. So what type of material we are using? It is same like bedding material you can use. Fibrous jute or hessian tapes you can use in that. So one more important note is that some of the cables we are not providing armoring. Some cables we are not using. We are not using the armoring. Whenever there are high voltage levels, then only it is more specific for mechanical injury. A smaller cable, these you cannot use. This mechanical injury will take space. Bedding will take space about the mechanical injury. That's what this is not required. For high voltage, will take space. That time, this will be very important thing. That's what armoring considered. High voltage of cables will take space. The last one is serving. The serving is an outer cover of your cable, the underground cable, which is protecting your cable from outer cover or mechanical injuries, or else we can say that climatic conditions, atmospheric atmospheric conditions. Along moving it is on the roads, it will take space small damages, that all mechanical stress all will take space by SRV, the outer cover of the this underground cable. In such a way, we have 6 layers of the underground cable, each layer having their own specifications. So generally for single phase core, it will be single conductor. For a 3-phase core, this conductor will take space 3 different layers up to this 3 different layers. After that, you can make rubber. For a 3-phase, how can you plug it? One cable, other, another. 3 different will pack out by other will be there. Takes place. R will be takes place. R by the surrounding it will take place like this. RY lines will take place. They will send the cover. Packing will take place here separately. Till bedding they will do separately. Then after these 2 covers, common for all 3 cables. These are the 3-phase cables will take place. It is. If you go for examinations, they will ask the questions. The sequence of layers is very important. The metallic sheet placing where to where between insulating material to bedding. They will ask the question. The bedding will take place in what is the next cover. After metallic sheet will take place bedding. After the ROV takes place. The sequence you are going to ask examination. To remember the sequence, I will give you one logic. It is the concept is called as SYMBOS. A SYMBOS concept because conductor SYM I M B A S. If you use a SYMBOS concept, the sequence will come core, insulating material, metallic sheet, bedding, ROV, surveying. Like this, we can remember the sequence of the cable. I hope the logic is very easy to remember. So remember such a way you can remove the longer span of time for your simple logics. If you like my channel, you can subscribe my channel. You will get the links to email IDs. You can enjoy this. Thanks for watching. Keep continuing for next videos.